Regularly running a refresh reminders will ensure that your reminders are up to date. You will want to run the refresh at the end of the day when no other users are in the system. You will also want to make sure there are no interruptions, as this will cause missing reminders. The refresh process deletes reminders and then rebuilds them. If you have a Windows update scheduled, you will want to postpone this for another day, as this will cause a restart of your system and inadvertently cause the refresh to be interrupted. To refresh your reminders, you may do the following. System. Cases Audit. Uncheck. Check for missing records. Check. Refresh reminders. Make sure all of the below boxes are checked. Patent cases, trademark cases, all other cases. Click Start. The process will start. This process can take from couple of minutes to couple of hours, depends on the number of cases and reminders that needs to be recreated. And once it's completed, will prompt you a pop-up message that is done. Click OK.